Caring for customers is at the heart of everything we do. Hello. Do you need extra support with your energy bills and payments? We're here with a helping hand when you need it most. We understand your circumstances are unique and offer support based around your needs. We listen and assess how best to support you. Did you know we have something called a PSR? That stands for Priority Services Register. This is a free service and available to customers in England, Wales and Scotland. If you or someone in your household needs extra assistance, we can help with getting your bills and letters to you in large font, braille or audio, making sure your health, well-being and critical medical equipment are protected if there's a power outage, free gas safety checks. Register online at edfenergy.com/PSR. There's lots of other support we also offer, including financial support if you're struggling to pay, and access to government schemes and grants which could help you. So get in touch with us today and find out how we can help. Visit edfenergy.com/PSR.